Hey, this is Prospector Jess. I thought I'd do a little flyover here. I'm going to show you a bit about what happened with Lake Oroville and kind of tie it into what we're talking about right now, which is how do I find gold, or where do I find gold? Of course, the first question you want to ask yourself is, where has it been found before? Following that would be, where does it go? But answering where has it been found before is as straightforward as using the USGS and pulling up a map. Let me show you what I mean by that. Plug away a little bit of what's going on here. Here's the dam that we've heard so much about, and this is the spillway that had a hole blown through it right here. Now, I've just plugged in the USGS gold finds for the area around Lake Oroville, and that'll give you an idea of where the gold has been found before. You can see there's some right down near the spillway here. There's the Banner location and a few others. But the idea is the same, and that is I can find gold in the vicinity of a location I have an interest in and quickly ascertain whether or not the gold has been found there before and kind of what kind of gold. For example, an interesting one here you'll see up in this top corner is this purpley thing. What is it purple? Well, I've marked the purple because it indicates that there's a platinum deposit in the vicinity. What you can see on the map here is it says that basically there's gold, diamonds, platinum in this find. It was a past producer, underground and surface, and it was basically a placer gold deposit with platinum group elements in it. This is important because platinum group elements, as well as some of the newer things you're looking for, are rare earth elements. Can be of interest to you, but cheap diamonds, that'd be fun. But here it is, right next to Lake Oroville, where all that flooding's been going on. So it's important to recognize when you're working with one of these sites, the first place you start is where gold's been found before. And you can see how it's basically flowing downhill from these uphill areas down into the region, down through the lake and out the bottom end. The idea here is, wherever people have traced it to in terms of lode, you want to go downhill, downstream, away from that to find more gold. You also want to make sure you have adequate access rights, so don't claim jump. So let's see, what other kinds of things we can look at. So we start with a map that gives us a location. It gives us some of the concepts of what we're looking for, different kinds of sites that have been found over historic time, ones that are still open or not, etc. You want to look at terrains, the flood conditions, and what happens in that area if it floods. Where does the gold go away from the sites that are located? It's all very important stuff. This basically all dovetails into something I've shown elsewhere in my government gold maps product, but you can look at that when you get to it. Right now I just wanted to show you what you can do and where to go. But my favorite is this buggy right here, this source of diamonds, gold, and platinum. Can't beat that for a possible find. Even a couple right underneath the lake. I bet those were stream placers down the old riverbed before they covered it up with a lake. In fact, we can find out by simply going down into it and take a look at what the records say. An occurrence: bariferous gravels on Feather River. So there you go. And that's it for now. Prospector Jess, over and out. Have fun. Good prospecting.